Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. As you guys can tell, I'm actually in a different layout right here. I'm actually sitting down in my couch, which is super comfortable. So yeah, I'm just here chilling in my living room because the reason being my room is a little bit noisy right now. I believe someone's having like a get together, so it's a bit noisy. I couldn't really film in that room, so I just migrated to my living room. But anyways, I have a new video for you guys. This is going to be the good, the bad, and the ugly, which is being the good, which are my favorites, things that I've been really loving, that I've been using constantly and I would recommend. The bad is things that I don't really recommend. They didn't really work for me. Maybe they work for you, I don't know. And then the ugly, it's a total no for me. Like I can't. So yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel already, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, because I have a really good giveaway coming up very soon, and I wouldn't want you guys to miss it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Give my video a thumbs up and follow me on my Instagram, because most likely I will probably announce my giveaway there before I announce it here. So go follow me there. Anyways, let's get on with the video. Guys, so for my first favorite, this is not a beauty product whatsoever. It's actually edible. But I have to put it here because I've been eating these like freaking crazy. Like, I'm a crazy woman munching on these. But I do have self-control daily. I only grab like maybe a handful and I stop myself from eating. But they're so freaking good. Like, they're so good. So it's these right here. These are Gummy Bears. They're the edible Gummy Bears, the Gold Bears. This brand is freaking bomb.com. I love these Gummy Bears. They're so good. Oh, the green ones are so good, and they have like different flavors. So the flavors are back here. You guys, I literally ate this whole bag like in a month. Like, it's crazy. Well, it's so good. This one tastes like strawberry. Love it. I highly recommend them. They're just so good. They're a good snack. I know they're bad and I probably shouldn't even be mentioning them here because I'm pretty sure you guys are wanting something good, but honestly, let's be real. Everyone freaking loves bad snacks. I do. The orange one is my favorite. I love this one. It's so good. Oh my god. Okay, last one. It's the clear one. This one tastes like pineapple. You guys, I literally have to stop because my blood sugar is gonna go hella high. But yeah, if you guys have not tried these Gummy Bears before, I highly recommend them if you're a sweet tooth. If you love kind of fruity flavors, this is the way to go to. I'm such a fruity girl. I love fruits and like citrusy stuff. So this is just like, it just hits the spot, you know? So moving on to my next favorite is actually this Brow Power pencil by IT Cosmetics. I actually got this on one of my BoxyCharm boxes and I've been using it a lot. I really like it. This is in the shade Universal Taupe and I really like it. I love that it has a spoolie on one end and then obviously the product on the other. The spoolie is my absolute favorite thing because it's super gentle on my brows. There's some spoolies out there, man, that like literally tug and pull on your hairs like they about to yank them off. So I love that the spoolie is really soft, and I mean, it just works really well. And I've been using it a lot and it still has quite a bit of product in there. Yeah, so this is what is left there, and that's a lot of product. So I really like that. If you guys haven't tried the IT Cosmetics brow pencils, I highly recommend. I think they're really great. Like I said, I got mine in the BoxyCharm box. So yeah, I've been really loving this. The next good favorite product that I have right here is this oldie but goodie. This is the Miracle Lancome perfume. It looks like this. This is the perfume I used to wear back in high school and I freaking love it because I feel like it has like such a nice scent and it's very soft, very mellow, but it's very fresh and it kind of has a little tiny bit of floral in it. I can't tell you the notes because unfortunately I don't have the notes with me. But if you guys are in the perfume sections, I highly recommend you guys trying this one out. Again, it's the Lancome Miracle perfume. Ugh, it smells so good. It smells like fresh, like spring. I don't know. I really like it. And I stopped using it for a really long time, and then I saw it on sale, so I picked this up. And then when I started wearing it, my husband actually remembered the scent because I met my husband back kind of in high school, the last year of high school, and he remembered that scent. He was like, hey, you smell like before. And I'm like, what are you talking about? But I totally knew what he was talking about, and it's this scent right here. He loves it too. It's just a very nice, fresh scent. It's not like musky or anything. It's so beautiful. Oh, let me bathe in it. Highly recommend this one. Try it out. Smell it. I'm sure you guys will like it. So my next favorite is actually this mirror. This mirror is by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I'm pretty sure you guys are all familiar with this mirror right here. I actually really wanted the black one, but when I went and I tried to, you know, purchase it, it was already sold out. But I did see the burgundy one, and I actually fell in love with this one as well. So I picked up the burgundy one, and I really love it. I love it's just so easy. It's very handy. When I'm doing my makeup, I just grab it, and I feel like it definitely kind of zooms you in a little bit, so you can see your makeup super close and flawlessly. Like, you can see all the perfections and imperfections. Like, you can see everything. It is just a very nice quality mirror. It's so inexpensive. So I will try to find this shade right here, and I will link it down below for you guys. But he definitely has other colors. I believe he has like a baby pink, he has like a fuchsia pink, he has a black one, and then he has this one, and I believe he has another shade of pink, but I'm not 100% sure. But I will try to link this one down below for you guys if you guys are interested. But I love this mirror. It is just my favorite. So last but not least, on my favorites section, on the good section, it is this Anastasia blush kit in the blush kit Radiant. It looks like this. I'm sure you guys are pretty familiar with the Anastasia blush kits. I freaking love this palette. I've been using it nonstop for my blushes. Like, the shades are just so gorgeous. Right now I'm actually wearing this one right now, which is called Breeze. I love that one. It is just my favorite. How gorgeous are these shades? Like, they're just so beautiful. You can kind of tell, but I love these shades, especially this one right here. This one's called Terrace, which is one of my absolute favorites. If you guys have not tried any of the Anastasia blush kits, I highly recommend this one, the Radiant specifically. I just love the quality. The blushes are very pigmented, they blend very well, and they just work amazingly. So I just love them, and I highly recommend this one. It is just my favorite, and I've been using it nonstop this month. And yeah, so moving on to the bad boys of the house. So I have two palettes right here. They're by Urban Decay. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen these before. They're not new. They've been out for quite a while now. These are the Urban Decay collaboration with Jean Michael Basquiat. I don't know if that's how you pronounce the name. I'm pretty sure I just killed it, but I'm sorry. But it is these palettes right here. I'm pretty sure you guys know what I'm talking about. But these palettes unfortunately did not work for me. They're so beautiful though. Like, the shades on this one are just so gorgeous. Like, that blue is just amazing. This turquoise one is bomb. This lime green one is so pretty. All of these shades are just so gorgeous, but unfortunately they do not work for me. I don't know what the heck is wrong with these shades, but they just don't work. I've tried to make, you know, eye looks with this, and I actually had to take my makeup completely off because it was just a disaster with that makeup. Like, I don't even know what was going on. Like, the shadows were not blending. They were just like hella chalky, and they were just not how they are here in the pans. Like, you know, right here they look so vibrant, they look so full of life, but when you put them in your eye, they're just like gone. Like, what the heck? Like, where are you, you know? So unfortunately this one didn't really work for me. I've tried using it a couple times, and it was a total bummer. It was a total fail. I have to pass on that one. The same thing with this one. This is the one with the neutrals, and this one's kind of weird. I wish it was kind of like, you know, it opened kind of like that one, but I kind of see why it opens this way because of this little guy. But it's this one right here. Again, the shadows are so beautiful. I just love the shades. I love the spectrum, but they did not work for me. This yellow one was one of my favorites from this whole palette. This yellow one does work really well, but all the other ones are just like, they don't work. I've tried them so much. I tried to make so many looks with these, but they did not work for me at all. I don't know if it's the shadows. I don't know if I need more practice. I have no idea, but they're just so hard to work with, and unfortunately they're not my favorite shadows, so I don't recommend these palettes. They were a total bust for me, and I'm very, very disappointed because I love the shades and I hate giving up on palettes. Like the Anastasia Subculture, I use that palette so much. Like I refuse to give up on that palette. It was so beautiful, but the shadows, honestly, they didn't really work. You know, I tried so hard. I honestly do, because I hate failing on makeup, and I hate like not loving makeup, you know, like I hate it when I don't like something. It just makes me feel really bad, and I don't know, I just feel like it's me, it's not the product, because hey, you know, like they're pros, they should know what they're doing. But honestly, these two babies did not work for me, and I'm really sad to say that, but that's just the whole truth. So these are the bad boys of the month. Sorry. Alright, so this is where stuff goes down. So moving on to the ugly. Man, this thing is ugly. No way, Jose. I don't recommend it. It didn't work for me. It is horrible. It doesn't do absolutely nothing. It is this Rentier Coconut Argan dry shampoo, and it's a flawlessly fresh scent. It looks like this. Now, I'm a sucker for packaging. I love things that smell very fresh, very coconutty. I love argan oil. I know that argan's really good for you. And I was actually in the hunt for a new dry shampoo because mine was pretty much almost gone, and I wanted to try something different. So I saw this at Walmart, and it was really inexpensive. I believe it was like $6.99 or $7.99, somewhere around that range. You guys, this thing is a total fail. It does absolutely nothing. If anything, it makes my hair way more oily than what it already is. It is horrendous. I don't recommend this thing. I don't even know what this thing is, but I mean, the scent, when I spray it, let me spray it. So I mean, it smells really, really nice, but honestly, it does absolutely nothing to your hair. At least it didn't do anything for me. So this dry shampoo, it says it removes oil and dirt. It's a matte finish, clean look and feel. 0 sulfates, parabens, dyes, gluten, phthalates, propylene, glycol. You guys, I mean, it has really good claims in here. Like, none of the bad stuff is on here, but it's just, it didn't work for me. Like, it's a no. Alright guys, so that was pretty much it for my favorites. I really hope you guys like this good, the bad, and the ugly. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this kind of series. If you guys want me to keep it up, let me know in the comment section down below, and I will definitely do that for you guys. Again, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. That way you guys are tuned for my giveaway, which is happening very, very soon. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!